Good morning. Welcome to another high desert adventure here in Arizona. I'm looking for a hilltop ruin that I found on Google Earth. It's about a 250-foot elevation climb from here. So I'll catch you when I get to the top or when I find something interesting. See you at the top. First side of the wall, right up there. It's pretty. It's got made out of red or yellow sandstone. It's a pretty ruin. All right, catch you in a few. All right. Here's the view from up here. That's insane. So here is a good picture of how these walls were built. They're solid wall on the inside and the outside, and they're filled with these little tiny stones and rubble in the middle. There's probably even some dirt in here. And as they build these up, they stabilize them with these small rocks. And then if you look a little higher, you can actually see the capstones across the top of the whole wall. It made an incredibly strong wall. Okay, so this is the first room that I came to right here. It looks like it's pretty well caved in, but this shared an outside wall. And it actually looks like it might have been earth level up here, because there's definitely dirt right behind this wall. Hopefully it shows up in the drone footage. But the rock work up here is amazing. Right directly behind it is another room. The first room that I see is about 10 by 10. This room looks like it might be 8 by 10. Got a beautiful rock wall here. Man, it's pretty amazing so far. And it looks like there's another room right here, which is sort of like almost right directly in the center of what I can see from this room. It's very, very grown up here. Wildlife has come back to reclaim. Nice rock work here. Beautiful lichens growing all over everything. Then there's another room inside here. This one was probably 6 foot by 10 foot, roughly square. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Alright, so out here, this is just the outside of the ruin. I guess down there you can see the excursion in the distance. So right below me is a dry riverbed. Beautiful canyon. This is probably where they were getting their water, and obviously they could see for miles and miles and miles. Just amazing. So this room here is very intact. Has a very nice entranceway to it. It's square on both sides. It's very nice. Very nice. So I'm standing in another room. This one looks like this center wall fell in. I'm starting to think there's way more rocks in the middle of this ruin. It almost looks like there might have been something bigger in the middle, like maybe taller walls, maybe even a watchtower, who knows. But there's a lot of rocks in the middle. Hopefully the drone footage will show that.